Most of the guys think that a well-dressed up, rich and handsome guy is the one that women fall for. But in reality, these are just a few advantages that attract women. There are many dudes without any of these qualities that drive women crazy. You can also be one of those dudes, just by following a few steps. I am going to tell you 4 qualities that you need to master in order to make women chase you. These qualities significantly make you more attractive and improve your mindset in dealing with women in various situations. These are the 4 important qualities that you need to master in order to make women chase you. Number 1, being independent. One of the most attractive traits that women notice in men is how independent he is. That means he is not driven by his desires but only by his goals. His goals should be his number 1 priority than women. A woman always dreams of a guy who is a bit of a challenge for her. Once she knows that you are a man with a goal and no matter what happens in your life, you are on the same track going for that goal. At this point in time, the only thing that's going through her mind is to be with you at any cost, making her uncontrollably chase you. This is going to make you look even more attractive if you are being the same way with others as well. This is going to trigger her mind that no external factor can change the way you are, making you autonomous and very attractive to people around you. Number 2, stand up for yourself. Most of the guys don't speak up even for the things they don't like that others do. They think that it is going to make them less attractive, or if it is a girl, what might she think, is the typical mentality of a nice guy. Whereas a strong guy speaks up for anything that he doesn't like the way it was supposed to be. Let me give you an example real quick. A nice guy and a girl are at a restaurant having coffee, and the girl is constantly on her mobile. This makes the nice guy very uncomfortable, but he doesn't speak up because he is scared of letting her know his intention. Yet again, what might she think, is the only thing which scares him a lot. But when you speak up saying, "Can you put your mobile aside?" Just by saying that, you are giving more importance to yourself and your time. Which makes her think you are a man of high value, and women chase men with high value but not the nice guys who don't speak up for themselves. Number 3, do not settle. Women want to be with those men who have high standards. That means you are going to put in some risk to achieve what you want. For suppose you don't like the job you are working for right now and you can't quit it, just because you are scared of finding another and having a good life. This is a huge turnoff for women. Just by doing that you gave an indirect signal to her by saying, "I am going to settle for anything." None of the women want to be with a man like that, but when you quit a job you don't like and find a passion that constantly makes you money while you enjoy doing it, that is what makes her chase you. Making you a man who is not going to settle for things you don't like. This doesn't only make you look attractive but also is an indication that you are a strong man to chase your dreams all by yourself. Number 4, sticking to your opinions. Nice guys do this in a wrong way. Suppose you are with a group of people and a girl is having a conversation where she is the one who is wrong. When she asks your opinion, the nice guy knows it's her mistake but takes her side. This makes him a fool in front of all those people there, and it makes you look like a weak guy with low value. Whereas the guy with the high standards in this situation clearly states that, "It's your mistake," which makes him look attractive as a man with high value. That's it for today. With that being said, thank you for watching.